Welcome to EFTM, and today I'm in New York City with your first look at the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 and Note 10 Plus. So the big news from Samsung this year is two devices in the Note range. Normally, the Note has been its single device with the S Pen, and that's what stood it apart from the S devices, the Galaxy S10, S8, S9 and those in the past. Slightly different devices in that the screen is obviously quite large, larger battery and a better camera array as well. So the size differentiation is actually made to keep Note owners happy with the Note 10 Plus, but to entice existing Samsung S phone owners up to the Note range using the Note 10. Some really nice new features this year. The stylus allows you to do handwriting recognition. So just writing notes with the S Pen in the standard Samsung Memo app, I was able to just jot down some words and it actually recognized my handwriting. Let me be clear, I have rubbish handwriting, so it looks very impressive from the start. And that's one of the features that always put me off actually using these devices for handwriting. Performance-wise, Samsung's DeX, which allows you to connect the Note to a computer, has been improved in that you can now use it not to connect to a monitor, but to connect to an existing computer. So a PC or Mac can be plugged into the bottom of this phone, and actually within the PC or Mac, using another window, you can control your phone, you can make calls, you can do everything you want to do using DeX. Camera-wise, things have been improved once again with a better camera array, but actually some of the fun features that Samsung are pushing is where it'll stand out. So you've now got an AR doodle, augmented reality doodling within a video, so it's hard to explain, but basically you can draw on the screen with a pen and the augmented reality allows that drawing to follow you or whatever you've filmed around. Plus you can now do the depth, the bokeh effect within video, and there's some really big enhancements to the camera. Overall, it's an impressive looking unit. We haven't given it a full review, but we have all the details and pricing up at EFTM.com.